My name is Gunitori and I am the principal at Sun City School Sector 37D, which is located in Gurugram. This is a new school which started its operations in 2019 and I am the founder principal. I am a professionally trained educator. I have done my B.Ed and my Masters, and I am very passionate about my career as well as my intention to bring to the table the best for the children. I am a humanities specialist in the sense that I have graduated with honors in history and have had geography as my subsidiary subject, and I have done my masters in public administration. Now, initially when I decided to go into a career, I had no intentions of becoming a teacher, very honestly. But when I realized that there is a work-life balance and the fact that I love children very much, I thought it would be a great idea to launch myself into this space, because I drew my inspiration from my mother, who was and is a teacher even at the age of 81 today. She has been my role model, not because she is my mother, but because she came from a completely Hindi medium background and went on to do her B.Ed at a time when she had 3 children, ages 3, 4 and 8. With that, she was living in a huge joint family with extended family members, having a lot of commitments to fulfill in that space. She completed her B.Ed and went on to teach for 30 plus years of her life in one of the most prestigious institutions of Dehradun, the St. Joseph's Academy. She was a math educator, and her mission was always that we have to try, and there is not a situation that we cannot overcome. Nothing is insurmountable, and that there is no easy day, there is no lazy day. All days need to have a routine. So with her as an inspiration, I got into this space and I decided to get into the field of education, and I honestly say that I don't regret it, because my bonding with the children and my bonding with my colleagues has made me realize that I'm in the right space. Maybe corporate was not meant for me. When we talk about struggles, I personally feel the word struggle should be replaced with challenge. So there were many challenges, but I think the most important challenge was when at 35 I had my second child and I could not take a break to bring him up. So at 2.5 months I joined my school, and used to take him with me in the car, driving with him in my arms. That was a challenge, because that time we were living in Delhi, and to circumvent the traffic of Delhi, it was a huge challenge. But the support of a friend who used to travel with me and used to help me take care of the child when he would start crying or any other time, and also visit the creche in school to ensure that the care is complete and that the child is looked after. I think that was one challenge that I feel at some point in time became a struggle, because of the health of the child, the vaccination schedule, the assessment schedule for the older one who was just about 8 years old. So that was a phase of challenge. Other than that, I don't think I have faced any major challenge, because I've always been easy to adapt to the circumstances and learn. Having said that, the profession has been now completely a matter of choice, and I'm very happy that bonding and dealing with children from the heart is what I have enjoyed doing the most. And I firmly believe that if we take teaching, or if we are in the field of education, then it is not a job. It is a commitment with the heart and the soul. Thank you.